In this video, I'll show you how to scan using your Epson XP-5200. I'll show you how to get the scan results directly on your smartphone, iPhone or Android. I'll use an iPhone for this example, but obviously you can go and do the same thing on your Android device. So for the first step, before even putting the paper on the scanner, is to connect this printer to your Wi-Fi network. The same Wi-Fi network as your device is connected. So you can also do it on Mac or PC, not only on a smartphone. From here on the top right corner, you're going to see the Wi-Fi symbol. Right now we are not connected. This is why they are grayed out. Using these arrows, you can navigate and select them in red and press OK. Now we are in the Wi-Fi settings. So you're going to select the first one, Wi-Fi recommended. Press OK. Press OK once again and select Wi-Fi setup wizard. Wait a few seconds. It will scan for all the Wi-Fi networks that are currently around your printer. Here we go. It has only found one, but maybe in your area you can have multiple Wi-Fi routers of your neighbors. You'll be able to see them down below. In my case, since this is the one I'm seeing and this is mine, I'll press OK. And now it's time to enter the password. Press OK and use the keyboard and the arrows over here to type your password. If your password has some numbers, you need to select on the lower left side 1, 2, 3 and it will switch the keyboard. At the end, go ahead and select OK and press the OK button. Go down and select Start Setup. Press OK and wait. You're going to get this blue check mark with Setup Complete, simply confirming that everything is great and the printer is now connected to your Wi-Fi router. Then we need to go on the App Store, search for Epson Smart Panel. Once you found this app, go ahead and download it. Open, press Agree, press OK, press Next, press Allow while using app, press Next, press Allow. You're going to select your Epson printer from this list, XP-5200 series, and press OK once you see connection is complete. From here, you're going to select Use Tiles. You see on the lower right side. It's the easiest way to navigate through the app. Lift the lid. Take the paper you want to scan. Place it facing down with the top part of your page towards the right side, like this. And now you see over here there is a white arrow. Make sure that the corner of your paper touches the white arrow. This is how you know that the paper is aligned on your scanner. Close the scan lid, and on your phone we can exit this by going back. Select Scan. And here we're going to have other options that you can change, including the document size you're trying to scan, if you want in black and white or color, the resolution, if you're scanning something with many details like a picture or painting, artwork, stuff like that, select the highest number. It will give you the best results with the most details. For text, you can keep it 200 dpi. And then you have other stuff that I suggest you don't change apart the image format. So if you're scanning a picture, select JPEG. If it's a document, select PDF. Press Start and wait. You're going to get a preview of what got scanned. And you can zoom in to make sure that everything looks sharp. If you don't like the results, you can press the garbage bin over here to delete it. And if, let's say, you want to scan multiple pages and combine them in one PDF file, remove this page, put the next one, and then press the plus sign. You'll be able to add multiple pages down below. Otherwise, you can crop the scan. You can rotate the scan if this is not what you want. Press Next. Give this file a new name. This is the default name, but you can change it to something else. Scanning. Okay, great. And and press the Save button. You'll be able to save it on your iPhone in any folder that you wish. If you prefer sharing it on social media or with your contacts or in a specific app, click on the square over here with an arrow pointing up. You'll be able to select in which app or with which contact you want to share your scan. So this is about it. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.